If you're running into a Slack login error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether Slack won't let you sign in, keeps loading forever, or says your credentials are incorrect, these steps can help you get back into your workspace without the stress. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Slack from logging in properly, even if everything else is correct. Open your browser and search for speed test. Then run a quick speed test and make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping out, try switching networks, restarting your router, or moving to a stronger connection before trying Slack again. Once you've confirmed your internet is working, the next step is to refresh the page or restart the app. Sometimes Slack just gets stuck because of a temporary loading issue or a minor app glitch. If you're using Slack in a browser, refresh the page and try signing in again. If you're using the desktop or mobile app, close it completely and reopen it. This simple step fixes a lot of login issues because it clears out temporary problems that may be preventing Slack from connecting properly. If Slack is still not letting you in, take a moment to enter your email and password carefully. This sounds obvious, but even a small typo can cause a login error. Double check that you're using the correct email address for the workspace you're trying to access, and make sure your password is typed exactly right. Watch out for caps lock, autofill mistakes, or signing in with the wrong account if you have multiple emails saved on your device. Now, if you still can't log in after checking your details, click Forgot Password. This is one of the most effective ways to fix a Slack login error when your password may be outdated or no longer working. Follow the reset instructions from Slack, create a new password, and then try signing in again with the updated credentials. Make sure to check your email inbox and spam folder if you don't see the reset message right away. After resetting your password, go back to Slack and test the login again. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue right away. If it still doesn't work, you may want to try signing in from a different browser or device, just in case the problem is related to your current setup. Clearing your browser cache or updating the app can also help in some cases. So to recap, if you get a Slack login error, first check your internet speed, then refresh the page or app. Make sure your email and password are correct, and finally use Forgot Password to reset your login and try again. These basic troubleshooting steps solve most Slack sign-in problems quickly and safely. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and comment below if you want help with any other Slack problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.